I'm recording this now, so we're online. What's up, guys? Skis here with another one. What's up, guys? Like and subscribe to enter my free $10 gift card giveaway. Wait. Come here, guys. Come here. Everybody, take off your armor and come here. Come here for a second. Everybody, take off your armor and come here. We're all the same person. Guys, take off your armor. Take off your armor. I wanna get this. Dude! YT, come here! Yes! Come here! Yes! We need this for the thumbnail! Come on! Come on, bro! Come here! You better get your butt over here right now! Dude, come here! Come here! Dude, come, get over here! We're never gonna get this thumbnail! Oh, no! Please, let us get the thumbnail! I'll give you Lord armor. I'll give you really good armor if you come here. I will give you Lord armor if you come here for the thumbnail. Do it for the thumbnail. Here, wait. Let's all hold the pickaxe. Let's all hold a pickaxe with a shield in our hand. Or no, wait. Just hold the sword. Just hold a sword with a shield. What the heck? You have to left click with the sword in your hand for the shield. Oh, it doesn't matter. Come here. No! Take off your armor and pull out your sword. Equip your sword. Just equip it.
Guys, can I be in the middle?
Yes. We're all the same person! Okay, that should be long enough for it to be the thumbnail, maybe. Wait, what the heck did I just do? Whoa, that's freaky. Let's stay here a bit longer for the thumbnail. Okay, that's good. That might be good enough. I hope that it will give me the thumbnail. Either that or send me the screenshot, dude. So that I can put it in as the thumbnail. Because that's going to be some sick. It's going to be litty. The game Minecraft with the boys. Wait a minute. Dude, this is the mine shaft that we were... This is the mine shaft... I think this is the mine shaft we were exploring... a couple days ago. Or yesterday. I can't remember. Spiders! Oh, there's a spider. Oh, the batteries for my mouse keep, like, slowly falling out. Ooh, iron. Stop! Everybody's gonna think we're insane. Whoa, that was that lag, though. Don't fall into the lava, dude. Don't fall into the lava, James. You found emeralds? Bro, let me come find you. Where are you, bro? Where are you at? A emerald? Where are you? Where did you go? Where did he go? I don't see his gamer. Where is your oh. I don't know where you're at. I found you. Show me that emerald, dude. Show it. Show it to me. What? What? You fell into a hole where? I don't know where you are. I found some gold. He can hear. I can hear both. When one of you talk, I can hear it from both of your mics.
Well, that's probably why. That's why I hear myself when I talk. I can't hear myself right now.
Well, of course you hear yourself when you're talking. You can hear that all the time. But I know what you mean. I know what you mean, though. I'm quick with the jokes for the video. Oh, we need some water. We need some water. Yo, this is a problem with the HUD being smaller in windowed version. My character is almost sticking out of that little box that he's in when you open up the inventory. What happened? Oh, frick, dude! I got you! No! Don't, James! Here, wait, hold on. I stopped it. I saved it.
I'm on fire and it's lagging. I'm on fire and it's lagging.
You're fine, you're not gonna die. Eat something, though. Eat something. And don't mind that block, whatever you do, or we will both die. Don't mind that block. Just jump. Do you have? Is that a poison potato? Or regular potato? I don't know. I don't know how you would have even gotten that potato in the first place. I haven't seen a potato ever in this server, at least. Oh, bro, if we find more emeralds, I'm mining that. Emerald is like my favorite item in the game. Not because it's useful, but because it looks good. Well, actually, yeah, they are for trading, and that's it. Unless of course you're making blocks. You could probably get 2 fish with that 1 emerald you got, though. We're almost at a 7-minute. We're at 7 minutes. Move.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Julia.
Send. What? Bro, yesterday my bro, yesterday my family was bringing home Five Guys, and my sister, since I was going over my grandparents to stay the night, which is where I'm at right now. But anyways, my sister threatened to eat the burger that they were getting if I wasn't there. She's like, I'm gonna eat your burger if you're not there. Like, she's annoying. She's really annoying. I don't like her. Exactly. Huh? Wait, James's sister is nice or my sister? Because I swear if you said my sister, bro, you've got something wrong with your head. Like, there's something wrong with you if you think my sister is a nice person. I feel like she's the kind of person that I would like to meet. No, not like that. Like, the kind of person that I could have a full-fledged, like, civilized conversation with. No. Yeah, I'm gonna meet her, say, hi, I'm James's friend, I wanna fuck you. Like, yeah, like, I'm gonna do that. No. Oh no. I'm literally dying.
If we put our minds to it, we can do anything.
Oh my god, you remember me telling you that?
Yeah.
If we put our minds and if we put our hearts and minds to it, we can do anything. James, if you don't know, I was listening to this YouTuber's story of how they smoked, of how him and his friend, when they were in Trinidad, smoked 4 pounds of weed in 1.5 days. And that's like, according to him, a lot of weed. And they said when the kid, because apparently the house they were staying in with this kid, he had a weed farm, like 25 acres of just weed. And what ended up happening was that this kid goes out and brings back trash bags full of it, and he dumps out 4 pounds of it onto a table. And they're like, I don't know how we're gonna smoke all this. And the YouTuber's friend looked at him with determination in their eyes and said, if we put our minds and hearts into it, we can do anything. It was so funny. Like, if you ever watch the original video that story came from, I suggest you do. It's hilarious. Wait a minute, James, why were you freaking out about the lava? You can't. You're not. Your armor protects you from. You would have only had to have start freaking out if your armor's broke. That's when you should have started panicking. How did you not look at your heart counter and see that it wasn't going down? That's the real question. Oh! What? You were panicking. You didn't realize that your hearts weren't going down. Okay, I get it. Bro, we're almost at 15 minutes. If I can't... This is going to suck to load. I think I gotta end the video. Because at 15 minutes, it takes days to upload. So I'm gonna end it. Bye!